Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. So in today's video I'll be demonstrating how I do a soak off. So before we get things started, there's a few things that we need to get this tutorial on the road. Acetone to melt that acrylic, and then we have the bowl to pour the acetone in to soak the acrylic off. And then we'll have a cuticle pusher or alternative orange wood stick to remove the product off the nail after the acetone has melted the product, which is the acrylic. And then we have the towel. I'll explain this a little bit later down in the video as to why I use the towel, but yeah. That the bowl is placed at a moderate area on your table because we're trying to prevent accidents from happening, and acetone is a very harsh chemical. It can damage things, it melts things also. So we place it at a moderate area, then we're going to pour the acetone into the bowl. Ensure that the bowl is not anything, I don't know what, I'll leave a pop-up where what type of plastic can be used with acetone, but I do recommend something stainless steel, something that it can't melt through too quickly. So I'll use my bowl. I place my fingers inside the bowl with the acetone, then I'll use the towel to cover my fingers, or rather my hands. And just to speed up the whole process, I use a towel. It is a little intermission just to show you guys how harsh acetone is. Look at my nails, look at my fingers, look at them. The reason why I use a towel for my client's nails when I'm doing a soak off is because the body heat warms the acetone, and to stabilize that warm acetone, I usually add the towel so it can then pull more heat from the body. So the whole process of the acrylic coming off the nails is quickened, so it cancels your client sit time by a lot. So our body generated, we add it to any form of liquid, the liquid naturally will warm up. So I recommend no one adding acetone to a microwave because it's flammable, which means that it can start a fire or it can cause an explosion. So I don't recommend anybody doing that, but you can heat water, add a container with acetone into the heated water, and then you will naturally just warm the acetone and then remove it, and then you can add your cleanse nails to it. So the whole process can be quicker. Yes, it can be cut. So this is the result that you usually get after 25 minutes of soaking your nails. So after the whole process of soaking out the nails, I usually perform a dry manicure on myself where I clip the nails, shape the nails, buff the nails, and then oil the nails, and then wash my hands. And I'm good to go. I don't add any added pressure to my nails from the Emery board because the nails are very vulnerable after soaking off.